Okay. No, I forgot my water. Whoa. All right. Hi, everyone. This is weird. Oh, niños. Yeah, niños can mean boys and girls and boys. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Hello, everyone. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Yes. Let me open this guy up. Welcome to Coding Live Streams. There we go. Okay. Yes, it's true. All right, friends. Today is a special day. Yes. Today I will try to create Among Us. I'm gonna try, okay, guys? I mean, it might not be exactly like it. Oops. It might not be exactly like it, but you know, it's gonna be very, very similar. All right. So please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Wait. What is the twist? Twist, Jaylene. Is it a twist where you hug people instead of doing what violent things? Was that the twist? Because yes, Among Us, if you haven't played Among Us before, Among Us is a game where you can kind of go around. You're in a ship with a crew with your friends, and you have to find out that in your crew there's an imposter, and you have to find out who that imposter is. And this imposter in the crew is going around murdering. Yes, it's like a murder mystery kind of game, and you have to find out who it is. So it's a very sometimes violent game, but it's also a really fun game. Oh, I see. Jaylene says yes. So instead of making it violent like that in Among Us, we can make it our own. We can make it however we want it to be on Scratch. And we can have them go into a cage if they get caught. So it's kind of like tag, where if you tag on them, they go into a cage. Oh, and that reminds me. That reminds me of ghost mode in Among Us. So like that cage thing you're saying, Jaylene, yeah, that kind of reminds me of the ghost mode. When I get murdered in the game, then I can be a ghost and I can see what is happening still in the game as a ghost, but I can't do anything about it, and that's really fun too. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. Please. Please. I'm saying please. But please. All right, guys. So first things first, if you want to code along, so one, go to Scratch, right? That's where we're going. Go to scratch.mit.edu. Sign in if you can. If you can, no, you don't have to. But if you sign in, then your work can be saved and you can continue from where you left off last. And then create. Yeah, there's a create button at the top left. It's pretty straightforward. You just click on that create and you get to where I am right now. Or not. Or not. You can just follow along. Or you can just follow along. Yeah, let me just say that. Oh wow. Okay, cool. Yes, you don't have to code, you can do other stuff. And friends, I also wanted to let you all know this live stream is being recorded. including what you say in the chat. So say hi, YouTube. Yes, in the chat. Hi, YouTube. Yeah, you guys are practically celebrities now. You're on YouTube, everyone. So be knowledgeable of that. Hi, everyone. And let's get started. Oh yeah, hola YouTube. Hi. Oh, Fiona, wow. Where do you guys get these icons all of a sudden? You guys find the best icons. Okay. All right, let me move this guy down. Let me move this guy there. All right, guys, so at the very, very bottom right corner, we have our sprite button. We're gonna click on the paintbrush. So the first step, oh, let me put it there. Step 1, make a custom sprite. Make your own, let's call this draw your own sprite. How about that? Something like that. Draw your own sprite. How do you do that? You basically, first, you choose a sprite. You draw your own sprite by clicking on the paintbrush right here. So you hover over the new sprite button, but you don't click on the new sprite button. You click on the paintbrush instead. Oh, maybe it's your Chromebook set. That is really cool. Okay. So yes, I'm gonna click on that paintbrush to draw my own sprite. So it's right here, guys. That's how we're gonna get started right away. And you can say goodbye to the cat or any other sprite that you have in there already. And friends, let me actually clear everything in here. So first step is step 1. Let me make this smaller. Step 1, draw your own sprite. So remember, guys, that's the paintbrush. And that paintbrush you can find in here. All right. And once you have that, we're gonna try to draw an Among Us character. So let me actually search this up a little bit. Among Us character. And did you guys know that Among Us character are actually Teletubbies? Yeah, did you know that Teletubbies are Among Us characters? I don't know if you know Teletubbies. When I was a kid, I used to watch Teletubbies. They were really popular for a while, but below their heads, from their torso down, it looks like an Among Us character. So that's the, yeah, my mind was blown when I found that out. Okay, this is what the Among Us character kind of looks like. Great. Okay, I want to draw this actually, so that I can also animate it and I can make it different as well. I can add some hats to it or something like that. So let's start with a circle. I'm just gonna make a regular old circle, and then I'm gonna use this tool right here. I forgot what this tool was called. Reshape tool, yes. Step 2, use reshape. Yeah, guys, reshape is really cool because it allows us to reshape things as we want them, and we can like do these kinds of bezels and stuff like that. You can click anywhere and you can bring that down. It's already looking like an Among Us character, right? Okay, and I can make that a little bit like this. Yes, use reshape, guys. I don't know if we did reshape before. It's actually really cool. This reshape tool can turn anything basically into any shape that you want. Ashton, I didn't like Teletubbies either. Yeah, when I was a kid, for some reason, I didn't like Teletubbies. But once I found out that they are actually characters in Among Us, then, you know, I started reconsidering things. All right, so that's the body. We also have a backpack. Let's do the backpack thingy. And that's like a circle right in the back. And I can use the same reshape tool to click in places. And wherever I click, I can drag those places. And I can make a different kind of shape. A little bit more oval, more rectangular shape, like this. And let's put it in here. It's over! So friends, at the top, you know, we can change the order of things. Order means something is in front or something is in top. You know, one shape can be in front of the other shape. Right now, the backpack is in front of the character itself. But here I see that it should be behind. So I can make that, I can make that quickly happen by going to the back. Nice, it's in the back now. And I can still move it in the back. That looks good. How am I doing? Is this close to Among Us characters? Let me know, friends, in the chat. Now I need to make those goggles, I guess. And those goggles, they have a reflection, they have some shadows and stuff. So I'm gonna take a look at something like it. First, let me try the first color, like the gray. I guess I can go right here. Let's make it a bit less blue, I think. Yeah, less blue, more green, and darker. All right. And yeah, let me bring the saturation down as well. Oh, sorry. All right, okay, that's a goggle right there. I'm using that same reshape tool, guys. This is the reshape tool, and you can use it to reshape any kind of shape that you have. All right, hold on. Let me pull up an Among Us picture. Yes, Nava, pull up an Among Us picture and see what you can do. Thanks, Mia. Yeah. Use gray, yeah. Ashton says it's not looking good. Guys, I might be making it look easy. I'm not sure. It's not that easy. It takes a lot of practice to get to this level. And some people are so good at doing this that it's crazy. It's just crazy how good people are at creating characters in the computer. All right. Bam. Bam. Done. Right? That's done. Right? Guys, I'm gonna work on it a little bit more. I want to make it just perfect because from this, I'm gonna duplicate this to make it look like he's running and stuff. So I'm gonna try to make that little reflection at the top. Let's do that with the circle tool and make the saturation lower and this one higher. Oops. Oh, I see. This needs to stick out a little bit, and this guy needs to go up top a little bit. Oh. Okay, maybe I can move it with the arrow keys a little bit. And voila. I like it. Right, Jaylene? This is really hard. Alright, so next up what I'm gonna do is duplicate this, guys. You know, you might know how to duplicate already, but if you don't know, whenever you're done with the first drawing, whenever you're happy with your drawing, you need to duplicate it so we can animate it to look like it's running. So you can do a 2-finger click on the costume on the very, very left side. On a Chromebook, a 2-finger click looks like this. You make a peace sign and then you click on the trackpad with the 2 fingers down and you get a duplicate option and click on duplicate. Yes, this is costume 2. All right, so it needs to look like he's running. So one leg is gonna go back, and then it's gonna switch. So let's do the first part. Again, I'm using reshape to, let's see, I'm gonna move this guy back. And move this guy forward a little bit more. And then let's duplicate this guy, the first one again. This one, I'm gonna actually, this one, I'm gonna actually cross their legs. So like Among Us character running, let's look that up. What does it kind of look like? So yeah, so we got this action right here. It looks like the leg is crossed over to the other side. So let me try that. Yeah, that's gonna be hard. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna use a line tool here, guys, to draw a line from here to there. That's just the line tool. And then use reshape. Bam. Reshape is the answer to everything. Just reshape. Like if you make a mistake, you're like, oh no, what's gonna happen? Say reshape. I don't know. To be honest, I don't love it. Let me do a Control Z. But at the same time, we don't have much time. Let's move this guy right here. Let's move this guy right here. Now, so that's like this, and then next one is gonna be like that. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna change this up a little bit, you guys. That, and then this. So this one is that, and then yeah, I think I just need to bring this guy a little bit more back. So I think I made this a little bit too much front, and I can bring this a little bit back. All right, so it'll look like this. All right, I can do with that. Oh, I forgot the most important thing. Guys, we can add a hat. Yes. So this is a bit extra, but you can click right here, the choose a costume block. It adds a new costume into your list of costumes, but you can use that costume, you can copy it and paste it inside another costume. Okay, it's a hat. Yeah, Jaylene, a hat. So I'm gonna click there, choose a costume. Let's check out fashion, and in there must be a hat that I can use. Great. I got hat A. Hat A right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose all of hat A, copy it, and then paste it. And put it at the top. Now my Among Us character has a hat. I just need to copy and paste the hat inside each costume. Bam. 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 So friends, once again, I went to choose a costume. It helps if you go to the fashion area. There are tons of hats and pants in there, and you can choose any hat. And then you have to select all of the hats. So we're using the select tool again to make a little box. Oh, the bow, Jaylene, the bow would be really cool. Yeah, Bear ears. Oh man, this is way too much fun, you guys. I might never get to actually finishing this game, but I want to see it with the bear ears. It's too small. It has to work. I'll copy it and paste it right here. Let's see. I'm gonna put it on top of the. I can make it smaller a little bit, maybe. Huh? Maybe? I'm taking it back. So friends, the possibilities are endless. I don't have much time to experiment with stuff, but you can. Okay. All right. So we got the running animation. Oh, next up. Okay. I was thinking of a slap. So I'm gonna make this character do a slap. So I need to animate that too. We're gonna make that with the costumes. Duplicate one of them. And somehow a magical hand is gonna pop out of here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So like, bear with me guys. So, oops. I'm gonna attempt to draw a hand. Real quick. And I'm gonna try to paint the inside of the hand purple. It's gonna be really, really hard though. You know what? When in doubt, use reshape. Yes, I'm gonna use reshape again. This time I'm gonna use a rectangle tool. And let's make this 4 though. Okay. And use this reshape tool to make a hand, right? We can totally do that, right? Oh man, it's gonna be a lot of reshaping. Alright. And I can make some lines here. That's a hand. Okay. That's a hand. And let me duplicate this guy. And the hand kind of rotates around. Oops. Rotates around. Whew. This part turned out to be the most fun part, I think. So it'll be like a hand rotating around kind of deal. And then back to the beginning. Alright. Okay. Guys, I'm done with the costumes. I have a running costumes for running animation. I have a hand all of a sudden sticks out and it goes around as like a hand slap kind of thing. And then I'm going to go to the codes. I am ready to code. I got my costumes. Now I'm ready to go code. Ta-da! And friends, please, 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 if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Please. Please, guys. I see 16 concurrent viewers right now. Yeah, I see you. But only 11 of you liked. What gives? All right, I gotta go fast, guys. We're running out of time. So next up, let's get it. I'm gonna add a green flag clicked. Bam, bam, bam. And then forever. Well, forever, I really want this guy to do one costume. Forever, switch costume to costume 1. That's really, really all I want. But I'm gonna give it some conditions, like if. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I'm giving this 4 ifs. And you know what I'm gonna do with these. Yup. I might need to invent a block too. Alright, yes, I'll need to invent a block. Make a block, and I'll call this running block, okay? Okay. Define run. Well, running means you wait a certain amount of time, but in between those times you switch costume. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. The costumes to run was costume 3 and 2. Gotcha. So costume 3 a little bit, and then wait a little bit, and then do costume 2. And then wait again. That's what run means. So friends, just like how there are blocks on the left hand side, you can make your own blocks. Whenever I say the run block, I use the run block, that's gonna mean do this code right here. Oh. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me try this out. If space key is pressed, I'm gonna put key space pressed, right, and then run. So let me click on a green flag. Immediately we're back to costume 1. When I press the space key, I get a running effect. When I press the space key, I get a running effect. When I press the space key, I get a running effect. So I'm gonna use this running effect, this running animation, every time I press a button, essentially. But I need to program up arrow. Yep. I need to program down arrow. If down arrow is pressed, how should you run? And left and right arrow. Alright guys, well, I'm trying to really zoom in here, friends, but this code is gonna get long. Oh, okay. Alright, so when up arrow, we're gonna go up, so change Y, right? Change Y by 5, let's say. And when down arrow, change Y by -5. I don't want to make this guy too fast. I want to make him a bit slow. For left and right arrow, guys, we're going to change X by and change X by. For left arrow, say change X by -5. For right arrow, regular 5. Boom. And let's add this run in here too. Yeah, just adding that run into each of these ifs. Oof, yeah, I need to really, I don't know how to show all of you the code here. But basically, I'm saying when up arrow, well, first of all, on the right side, you'll see the define run. Basically, when green flag is clicked, forever keep the costume on costume 1, unless up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, or right arrow pressed. If those keys are pressed, then change Y or X and execute run. Okay, click on the green flag. I go right, I go left, I go right, I go left. It's kind of working, but it's a bit choppy. All right, let's fix that. I'm gonna first of all make my character a little bit smaller, you guys. Or maybe 20. So he can walk around. All right, cool. I'm gonna make him a little bit faster. 10. Yeah, maybe -10 was the best. -10. And for right arrow, change X by regular 10. Bam. Cool. I'm walking around. Kind of looks like I'm walking around. And friends, we have one special condition for the left and the right arrow. One special thing that we got to put inside there. Let me check out my stream health. How are we doing? Oh, okay, back in. Sorry, friends, if my stream is lagging or something like that. Let me know. Let me know if I'm lagging, you guys. Yes, like the video or else. I don't know. Guys, if you don't want to like the video, don't like the video. It's totally fine. All right. Okay, we need 2 blocks in here. Point in direction 90 for right arrow. Point in direction minus 90 for left arrow. So it points to the left, right? So now I go to the right. Great. But the moment I start turning to the left, the guy goes upside down. How can I fix this? The guy's going right now. But when I go left, the guy goes upside down. What's going on here? You're not liking it. Okay, thank you. How can I fix this? Which block fixes that problem? Where you're trying to make the guy point to the left or the other side, but it's going upside down. Anybody in the chat, what do you all think? What block helps with rotation style left and right? Oh, you guys are talking about something else. Okay, yes. Set rotation style left and right, you guys. In here, I'm just going to add that in. Set rotation style left and right. That's going to make it so that when you turn left, it flips instead of rotating. I'm going to play with this number a little bit. Let's see. Let's make this 0.01. And let's make this 0.01. Maybe that'll make it. Yeah. Oh, that's a bit too much. Maybe 0.05 and 0.05. Yeah, that kind of works. Yes. Nava liked the video. Thank you. Yeah, that was really fast. But I think this is good enough. All right. I have one more thing to add to this list of ifs, right? I have if up arrow, right? So starting from the top, I have when green flag is clicked, set rotation style left and right. This is going to make it so that the character doesn't go upside down. Forever, switch costume to costume 1. Keep at this costume. Unless we press up arrow, down arrow, or left or right arrow. And for the left and the right arrow, it is change X by -10, but also you need point in direction -90. These 2 blocks are really important to make it face left or right. Okay? I'm going to add one more if here. So at the very, very bottom here, I'm going to add an if. Yes. This time, if space key pressed. So if space key is pressed, then that little hand is going to come out. All right. So let's go to looks and make that animation happen. If space key is pressed, switch costume to costume 4. And wait 0.1 seconds. Now, I could get a lot of blocks from here and keep on dragging them inside, but I'm going to use a duplicate. Guys, to make this a bit quicker, duplicate that. Switch it to costume 6. Bam. So I'm running. Nice. I'm just going to go to the costumes and make this hand kind of stick out a little bit. Yeah, that hand needs to stick out a lot more. Like a punch. Nice. So that was with the space key. When you press the space key, we get this animation that does a little punch. And let me make this big over here. I'm running, bam. Running, bam. Running down. Going all the way here now. And then, bam. And bam. Okay. I think we're doing really good here. Next up, I want to make like a background. So remember, friends, you click right here to choose a backdrop. It's right next to the new sprite button. But it's called choose a backdrop. Awesome, guys. All right, I'm gonna make a backdrop as well. Let's see, there is a space backdrop category here. There's a spaceship. Nice. Okay. Yeah, Jaylene, that's okay. You can try many times. All right, so next up, all I gotta do is duplicate this guy. Delete all the code inside it. Delete this too. So I have a second guy now. I duplicated the same guy that I had. I'm gonna change this guy up a little bit. Let's delete the hat. I don't know. Let's get him a different hat. I want to get him... I can get him a wizard hat. Weird. It's a party hat. You know what? I'm going for hat C. There's an angel one? I didn't know there was an angel thing in here. Let me see. Is it like a... Yeah! Jaylene, he can totally wear clothes. You want to try to put on shorts on him? Oh, I can make him a wizard, yes. There's some shorts on him. Doesn't look that great on him, though. I gotta, like, extend this. Yeah, I don't know about shorts, but a hat works probably. Bam. Look at that little hat. Right? Oh. Did I just delete the code for this? No, there's a code. Oh no. Oh no, did I... Oh, I deleted the wrong costumes. Oh guys, I have to do all my work again. No. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do all of my stuff again, guys. Wow, I just lost all of my work. I can't believe it. Let's do this really quickly then. And we have some learned lessons from before, so that kind of helps. You know what, maybe I don't need this. Now, you know what, I think it's going to be a bit better. And instead of making the hand, I can give him something from the sprite library. Maybe I can give him like a broom or some kind of weapon from the sprite library. Or I can give him a donut. Boom. Yes. This is my character. And my character's weapon is a donut. Boom. That's it. which simplifies this a lot. Costume 4. And then costume 2 and costume 3, yeah. Otherwise costume 1. Okay, that didn't change that much. Okay, I'm walking around. Donut. 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 Okay, cool. Yes. And guys, so I'm gonna use this guy that I'm moving around as my main guy. Great. And I'm gonna use the other guy with the hat in there as a different guy, as like an enemy. But I gotta practice. So how can I hit him with a donut? Wow, really devious plans going on inside the chat. Okay, I got that. And let me go and get broadcast message. Yes. Switch costume to costume 4 and make a new message and call it hit. Alright, if I receive hit, and when I receive hit, and if touching sprites 2, then go to a random position. So this is the code. This is a pretty simple code for the enemy. I'm going around. When I get near, I can press space, go over here. I'm just trying to, you know, murder the whole crew of the spaceship here. Bam. Whoa. There's a thing happening here, yeah, so I can't. They shouldn't be able to fly around like this. And the background should be able to move. That's how it is in the original game. Hey, oh, don't mind me. What about this? I can like press E and the character can say something. When I press the E key, the character is gonna say, don't mind me. Just doing some electrical tasks. Right, so I'm going around. Oops. Can you guys see that a little bit? I'm going around, and I go to this terminal right here and I press E. Don't mind me, just doing some electrical tasks. And then I go to that other person that is at the top right now, and I press space. Bam, gone. And I go right here, and I say, hey, you know, don't mind me. I'm doing some electrical tasks. And I go right here, and bam, gone, bam. Sorry, you guys didn't see that one probably. All right. That's it, you guys. I'm gonna click on share, title this Among Us, and I'm gonna call this one version 1.0. Version 1.0. And put some instructions in there. Use the arrow keys to move. Use space to use donut. Hit the other guy with the hat. Press E to fake tasks, I guess. Yeah, I made a button to fake tasks. All right. And guys, I'm putting that into the chat. Or navigation, that would be, yeah, navigation task. I'm putting the link into the chat, everyone, so y'all can check it out. You can use the code however you want to. You can change it up. You can build on it. You can comment on it. I appreciate your comments on my projects. 502 674 276. Boom. And it's in the chat. Let me see if that link works. In the meantime, I do have a trivia. Oh, wait. Yep, that works. Oh, I can't do this trivia. Sorry guys, I have to do a different trivia. I forgot to change the time limit on that one. OMG, OMG. Okay. La, la, la. So I'm gonna have to pick an old one. No. Where are my codes? Kahoots. This is. Okay. Where's my folders? Oh. Made by me, yo. Go switch back. Yeah, I didn't like that view. There we go. That's my folder. Disney? Interesting. Huh. No. I shall do the first Kahoot that is in here that I've ever done, I think. There's Ultimate Scratch Kahoot, which is a good one. Let's try this one out, guys. This is about technology. We've done it before, so maybe you remember it. I don't know. All right. The pin is loading up, and I'm going to move some stuff. Nice. No A's. All right. Yes. Yes. Not gonna win is here. Four, three, five, 3, 2. Oh, question mark is here, and the queen is here. J is the best is here. Guys, I have to move my face up a little bit. No, lower. Probably right there. Okay. Queen Rose is here. Dekuma is here. I'm guessing that's Nava, maybe? I'm not sure. Nava is in. Alright friends, anyone else? I'm getting started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm clicking on start. Okay, this Kahoot is about the internet. And this one is a multi-select. Is everything found on the internet true? And friends, pick all of the correct ones, okay? Pick all of the correct ones. Yes. Nope, absolutely not. Don't believe everything you read on the internet just because there's a guy with a picture, and there's a quote with a picture next to it. Yeah, guys, Abraham Lincoln didn't even know about the internet, and that quote is definitely not his. So, internet is mostly not true information, actually. There's a lot of not true information in there. Okay, what's a way of sending a message from one computer to another? From one computer to another, how do you send messages? Nice, everyone got that right. Okay, how about this next one? How many emails are sent every day? Friends, you can Google. Yeah, you can totally Google if you want to, but you will lose time. Let me put that in here actually. You can Google if you want. Really? It's totally fine to Google the answer if you need to. Nice. Boom. Yes. How many emails are sent every day? 250 billion emails are sent every day. Guys, there's about 7 billion people in the world. That's an insane number every day. Ooh, Queen Rose is on fire and is at the top right now. What percent of all emails is considered spam? So spam email means emails that we don't want. Junk email. We didn't ask for these emails. They're mostly like advertisements. What percent of all the emails out there, what percent of them is considered spam? Yeah, about 50% of all the emails out there is considered junk. Okay, who was the first computer programmer in history? Go! While you guys are doing that, I'm gonna get some water. Nice. Most of you knew this one. Yeah, this is Ada Lovelace. She wrote programs on a piece of paper before computers were invented. The first programmer in history. Not gonna win is winning right now and is on fire. Just FYI, not gonna win. You might win. Firefox, Chrome, and Safari are examples of what? Are they computers, websites, web browsers, or are they games? they're definitely games, right? Oh, yeah, they're web browsers. Yes, these are called web browsers, guys. We use these to access the internet. There are many of them. Not gonna win is on fire. Okay. What is downloading? We do it all the time. But what is it? What is downloading? Very tense music here. Okay. Yes. All right. Yeah. Two of you got it right. Receiving a file on the internet is downloading. So when you receive something from the internet, music, anything really, you're downloading it. Oh yes, the Queen is on fire. Just letting you know, the Queen. What is uploading then? Downloading is receiving a file on the internet. Then what is uploading? Yeah, Jaylene, I know. I know. Yeah, Jaylene, I know. I had prepared another one, but I forgot to change the time limit on it, which makes it impossible to play when live streaming. So I had to use this old one. Yes, sending a file on the internet. Good, yes. So uploading is sending a file to the internet, and then so that other people can download it from the internet. Right? But if you did this already, then you must do really good in this Kahoot, right? The Queen is on fire again, and in third place. Not gonna win is winning. Question mark is in second place, and Queen Rosen is in fourth place. I'm Deku Mom. Nah is fifth place. Okay, multi-select. There are many correct answers here. Choose all of them. Choose all the answers that you think are correct. What is a cookie? Oh, the Queen is unicorn. What is a cookie? Just a simple question. What is a cookie? Boom, yeah. A cookie is a delicious treat. This is true, but it's also an internet tracking file, so that the next time you visit that website, things can load faster. That website collects data about you. All that kind of information that website collects about you is called cookies. All right, so webcam is a camera that we use for video chats. I'm using a webcam right now. Hi. It was invented for what purpose? So they invented a webcam for the first time, and they invented it for a purpose. What was that purpose? Yeah, to watch a coffee pot. So in 1991, long time ago, the first webcam was invented by students in Cambridge University to watch a coffee pot. People wanted to check if the coffee was ready or not. So they didn't want to leave their desks, so they invented this whole way of looking at the kitchen without leaving their desks or their offices, and they could see if the coffee is ready or not. And then the webcam was disconnected in 2001, you guys. The first webcam ever ran for about 10 years. Yeah. All right, guys, let's see the podium. Third place goes to the Queen. Congratulations, the Queen. Second place goes to not gonna win. Interesting. And first place goes to question mark. Congratulations, question marks. The Queen and Amdeku Mom Na is in fourth and fifth place. GG, everyone. Let's see, let's get some feedback. Well played. Well played. Is everything found on the internet true? Oh, I don't know why that was considered. Yeah. Webcam, this was the most difficult question. Webcam is a camera we use for video chats. It was invented for what purpose? Nobody could have guessed. Of all the other choices in there, like to watch eggs in a bird's nest, of all the other choices in there, to watch a coffee pot seems like a silly reason. Yes, who is question mark? Who are you? Question mark. Or do you prefer to be anonymous? I'm not sure. I'm not sure who was Fiona. But yeah. Alright guys, that was a really cool game. Thank you so much everyone. Again, if you check out this, we can check out this video later on. It's been recorded, so if you want to do the tutorial, if you didn't do it already. And you can also check out the project link in the description of this video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't already. And I'll see you all next time. Say bye to YouTube, everyone. To YouTube. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm stopping.